Hi, hi.
Okay.
Yeah?
You want coffee? You want coffee?
Cacao, yeah, coffee. We can have a coffee
Outside.
break outside.
Yeah.
I'm surprised this is open actually.
Yeah, still open also, but
Still open. Okay, we're going inside. Okay.
You have money?
I have card. You can vips.
Ja, ja, vi bara går ut och fattar.
Welcome.
Jo, ska vi sitta?
Cacao. Cacao.
Good.
Wow, and it's a grill also here.
Mm.
We can come here to make grill.
Yeah, okay.
We going to Varden and we have a break and this place is open.
Yeah.
So we get cacao for free. We get cacao for free. What's the name of this place?
Studlehita.
Studlehita. So nice.
Yeah.
Mm.
We got it for free. And when it's open, you can like buy waffle.
Mm.
So then,
What time they close?
I don't know. I thought they.
And the people was here because it's still some charcoal,
Yeah.
some wood.
Yeah.
So we're going to the mountain to slide.
Yeah.
You sitting on this? No.
No.
You put there. You bought for 20 corona, yeah? 20 corona.
Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah, still sunset, little bit we can see, and the town down, don't see much, but it's okay. This is the road what we will slide, yeah?
Yeah.
It's getting dark, but it's okay. Okay, so we will start slide. Are you ready?
Oh, yeah!
Okay. Good? Ah! Sliding now. Woohoo! Fast! Woo! Oh my god! It's so fast! Woo! Ah! Okay, one more time. Woo! Difficult to stare like. But it's okay, this is first time. Woo! 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 Oh, let's go fast now. Oh! Ready?
Yeah.
Steady, go! Oui. Woo! I'm going good now. both sides now.
Yeah. Oh! No! No! Straight in there.
Straight in the hole. And that's good now. Very good now. Wow. Ooh. Ooh. Ah, that's fast now. Ah. Yeah, I had good speed now. That was fun
Yeah, that's kind of
on the end.
You know, it's actually kind of good exercise to keep the legs up.
Keeps legs.
Yeah, it's actually quite. You get a bit tired by that, especially when you do it for long.
I can run. Follow you. Oh! Oh, that's fast now. Yoo-hoo! Hi, Frederick. Oh. Ah. Ooh. Whew. That's fun. Winter time in Malta. I can feel like a kid now. Play. Wow, look this tree. So amazing. I like this color. So nice. This is the place when we make barbecue. And look, the water completely freeze.
Oh,
Oh, the last one.
we got good speed down here as well.
Yeah.
From Dumberfall and down here, very good speed.
The last one. And the high one. You want some extra speed? I can help you.
Oh!
Oi. Ah! 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 On the back. Ah! How to turn off? Ah! Crazy! How you feel? Oh, that was crazy.
Yeah, I got insane speed down there, and when I came to the gate, I just bowed my head down and
Look, I lost from my shoe. I don't know how.
Did it fall out of
Yeah,
your
I
shoe?
fell out and it's freeze. You see like how freeze?
How is that possible that it's when you wear your shoe?
I
How is-
know, no idea.
How
And one is without, one is with.
Okay,
It's everything possible on when you slide from the mountain.